Hello children, today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions. So let's start. Children, the first question is, on the basis of the given table, answer the questions that follow. On which day was the rain highest? Children, here we have been given the table and the rain in millimeters. And below that we have been given the options. First of all, to find the correct option, we will discuss the table. Children, on Monday it rained 57 millimeter. On Tuesday it rained 48 millimeter. Wednesday 77 millimeter. Thursday 44. Friday 37 and Saturday 80 millimeter. So children, when we compare all these readings, we come to know that on Saturday it rained the highest, that is 80 millimeter. So children, let's find out the correct option from the given ones. Is it on Thursday? No. So it is incorrect. Now option B, Wednesday? Again no. Now let's move to option C, Saturday. Yes, children, this is the correct one. So, let's put a tick here. Next question is, how much did it rain on Tuesday? Children, from the given table, we have to find on Tuesday it rained 48 millimeter. So, children, let's find out from the given options. Option A, 55 millimeter? No. Option B, 48 millimeters. And now, here is the next question. What is the value of tally marks? Children, here we have been given the tally marks and we have to find the value. Children, we already know that this slanting line indicates the digit of 5 and these are two lines. So 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So children, let's find the correct option, that is 7. So we'll start from option A. It is 5. So it is incorrect option. Option B, 3. It is again incorrect one. Option C, 8. No. Now option D, 7. Yes, this is the correct one because we have found the value. So let's put a tick here. The next question is, given pictograph depicts sale of apples on 4 days. According to this, which option shows ascending order? Children, here we have been given the sale of apples of 4 days and one apple depicts 10 units. In this way, on Tuesday it was 30 and Wednesday it becomes 20, Friday 50, Saturday 40. So let's arrange them in ascending order. If we arrange, then it becomes Wednesday, Tuesday, Saturday and Friday. So children, let's find out the correct option showing the ascending order. Is it option A, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? No. Option B, it's again incorrect because the least is Wednesday. Now let's see option C, Wednesday, Tuesday, Saturday and Friday. So this is the correct one. This is the ascending order. So, next question is, which bar graph shows the given table? Here, 10 children like milk, 5 tea and 5 coffee. So, children, let's find the correct bar graph. So, we have been given the options and the first option is this, in which milk is liked by 8, But children, in the table we have been given 10. So it is incorrect. Option B. Here again, milk is liked by 8. So it is incorrect. Now we'll move to option C. Here milk is liked by 10, tea by 5 and coffee again by 5. So this is the graph that shows the given table. Children, now it's time for homework. And your homework is you have to revise all the questions that we have discussed today and write them in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.